Good morning to all of you, and very good news for all of you. SSC JE vacancy declared by Government of India. So today we discuss about SSC JE exam forum last date and how we select for this examination, or especially we our target to improve our score in pre and how we clear pre. That is our prime aim. Okay, I repeat again. Good news for all diploma holder, BTech holder student in mechanical, civil or electrical. So today we discuss how we clear pre. Right now we not discuss about mains, because we face mains when we clear pre. So first of all we discuss how we clear pre. Only single today our agenda, how to clear pre. Okay. So first of all you see here, Government of India, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension, Department of Personnel and Training, SSC, date 12 August. You here see vacancy for civil, mechanical and electrical. So very good or motivating news for civil, mechanical and electrical diploma holder. So first of all we see what is the last date for filling application form for this post. Here clear mention last date and time of generation of offline challan to September. Last date and time, last date of submission of online application to September 2022. If we want to join this post or want to face pre or mains, then first of all fill application form timely before 2 September or as much as earlier as possible you do. Now we think or we see what is the exam date for pre. Right now November 2020. If we want to clear pre, then plan accordingly. November 2020, so what is the right, what is time for preparation for pre? August, September and November is the exam month, so we not take into account November days. If later any date announce, then we discuss, then we add those days. So right now August, September and October in our hand. So what is the date today? 13 August and 30 day in September and approx 30 day in October. 73 day. 73 day in my hand right now, or 1/5 portion of a year in our hand. A very good or handsome time in our hand. 73 very much time or sufficient time to clear pre. Okay, now we discuss about what is the exam pattern and what is the exam pattern for pre. So first of all we take or we discuss about syllabus of pre. Okay, what is the syllabus or exam pattern for pre? Yes, here is the exam pattern. First of all we discuss only about pre. Here 50 marks reasoning in our pre paper. 50 marks reasoning, 50 marks current affair or 100 marks technical. Total 200 marks and 200 question in 2 hour. Here exam pattern is this: 200 question, 200 marks, 200 question in 2 hour. Now we discuss about first of all we discuss about technical 100 marks. We discuss about 100 marks technical. Then first of all we see what is the syllabus for technical question. So here I think a technical syllabus for electrical, mechanical, civil all mention here. Electrical. Now I discuss about electrical because my branch electrical, so discuss about electrical syllabus. Here basic concept, okay, basic concept: resistance, inductance, capacitance, various factor affecting them, concept of current, voltage, power, energy and their units, okay. Second subject: circuit laws, Kirchhoff law, simple circuit solution, magnetic circuit, AC fundamental, measurement, machine, power system, estimate costing, utilization of electrical energy and basic electronics. Syllabus mentioned by SSC. You know, last 5 year syllabus same, but question come from here and there. You know very well way. So syllabus not change, I think, from last 5 year. So what is the strategy? 400 question. If I have diploma, I have BTech, I have MTech or any other degree and I prepare for this exam, then how I achieve good marks in a especially in technical portion? Then first of all we discuss about name of some book. First of all we discuss about GATE and engineering service examination volume 1st and volume 2nd. Now we discuss about GATE book. GATE previous year question book. You know, very good book compiled by MADG and GATE Academy and so many coaching institute. Then go for that coaching institute and purchase GATE book. GATE book. Ab you know and I also know so many tough question in GATE book, and those question not important for SSC JEE. You select simple question or question have very little calculation. You solve those question only. I want to say only 10% or 5% of question of GATE book useful for SSC JEE. Any question have so much calculation, you avoid that question. Simply theoretical based question or question have very less calculation, you prepare those question. Because you know SSC JEE exam all diploma degree holder participate, even MTech PhD also. So you know, if you not take GATE book into in your preparation, then you not able to clear SSC JEE pre-examination. Ab you first of all you think GATE book we solve for SSC JEE. What you saying? Actually I want to say that only simple theoretical question or question have very less calculation, you prepare all those question, and I say only 5 and 10% question of GATE book you prepare. Okay, then we discuss second book, engineering service examination pre, engineering service examination pre, volume 1st and volume 2nd. You know, engineering service volume 1st and volume 2nd useful for all JEE and AE examination for civil, mechanical, electrical, all stream. you very well way prepare volume first and volume second engineering service examination. 100% or all question of engineering service examination useful for SSC JEE pre, or approximately into book around 5 or 600 total question. You prepare all those question. You ignore या avoid some question of signal system, mathematics. You avoid some question according to syllabus, but all question of engineering service examination volume first and volume second very useful for SSC JEE pre. Okay, if you prepare for JEE exam last 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, 1 year, and you so many time revise engineering service examination volume first, volume second and get question, then no need to spend so much time for technical subject preparation, because you study last 3-4 year, so you very comfortable, I think, very comfortable in technical. Now we discuss about 100 non-technical question. 50 marks and SSC JEE previous year question also useful for pre. Now we discuss about reasoning. 50 marks reasoning in pre-examination, and if you not prepare reasoning and you have a diploma student, degree older student or MTech, definitely you solve for approx 35 question without any preparation. According to me, maybe you solve 30 question without any preparation. If you attend reasoning in exam hall, then you also solve 30 question out of 50 if paper level simple. But if you not prepare reasoning and you think your mathematics portion is strong and you intelligent from childhood, all these things not very good for good achieving for good score. Now what is actually my score in reasoning 2018 SSC JEE? 39 score out of 50. That is very poor score in reasoning. What is the reason why my score not 45 or 46 or 47? So many of my friend attend score 45 or 47 or 50 out of 50. What is the strategy of those of my friend? Simple, very simple. Regularly or weekly or 2-3 day in week, you solve one paper of SSC JEE pre, or you daily solve reasoning question, all topic of reasoning, 3 question from this topic, 4 question from this topic, 10 question from this topic. You regularly solve reasoning. If you not think reasoning not important, that is not good for you. 10 question, 20 question, 50 question, one paper as of previous year, daily basis you solve reasoning, or reasoning of not SSC JEE, you solve SSC GD, or so many question come from previous year SSC JEE GD, or you solve some banking reasoning also. As reasoning important for achieving good score. Now we discuss about very important section of pre, journal या journal awareness या GK. Very important section, and section decide selection in pre. So many of my friends not selected in pre due to ignorance or avoiding not preparing GK. That is the reason not selected for pre. if I prepare for JEE for last 3-4 year and I know very much about technical, then you not right now not prepare for technical. 73 day, total 73 day, or mostly time of 73 day you prepare for GK, then you achieve very good score in pre. I got 24 marks out of 50. Not very good score, but average score in GK last time. Simple strategy is that I very much comfortable in technical and reasoning. Then most of time of 73 day, you focus on GK. GK. What is the syllabus of GK? GK. Here, I think GK syllabus. Not in detail, but very short they mention what is the syllabus of GK. In GK, history, geography, economy, polity, journal polity, scientific research clearly mention, and environment around him, current affair also. History, geography, polity, economics, current affair, all in GK syllabus of SSC JEE Pre. You know history, you know world history, Indian history, culture also, Indian culture, world culture, geography, Indian geography, economic. Here mention India and neighboring country. Then 73 day not sufficient if we plan detail, but 73 day sufficient time also. Then what is our planning regarding history, regarding geography, regarding economy, journal polity and scientific research? What is my planning and how I achieve good score? First of all, we discuss about geography. Any book, any coaching notes you take and prepare for geography. You read all geography notes. River, what is the river, plateau. You read all geography notes within minimum time, and then go for geography objective question. We read which type of geography question. You first of all read geography of UPSC previous year question, SSC JEE previous year question, recently UPPCS यानी उत्तर प्रदेश पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन geography question, RPSC geography question, all India PCS geography question. And what is the recent geography question in various exam? You study those question also. Simply I want to say, you read geography theory and spend very less time for study theory. Most of your time you spend for preparing objective type of geography, from where all PCS geography question, SSC JEE and UPSC. Approximately 500, 600 or 700 geography question. And you, if in this year geography question come in pre, then you got good score. And second approach, if you go with Lucient, यानी कि Lucient all India student know and prepare geography from Lucient, not good according to me, because geography question come from NCERT or from recent question in various exam, important for you. So then what is my approach for geography? First approach is this: go in any coaching, any reputed coaching, and take notes. Notes for those coaching. अब how you achieve notes from those reputed coaching? Also a very hard task. Coach near to coaching, any photostat soap also available. You go in that photocopy soap and say, I want geography of this, geography notes of this those coaching, and you read 2, 3, 4 or within 1 week all geography notes, and then you spend your most of time to preparing objective. How you go to good objective question? Go for UPSC paper, UPPCS recently, RPSC and various PCS and SSC JEE or recent geography question in exam. Okay, now you prepare geography question. Now we come on second topic, economics. Economy very important for SSC JEE pre. Approximately 5, 6 or 10 question in your paper. Then how I prepare economy? What is the meaning of economy? First of all, you think कि what is economic structure of India, and what is the income of government of India, what is the expenditure of government of India, what is the debt of government of India, what is the loan of government of India. You you think कि how I clear pre. You think how government of India deal with financial problem, and what is the financial situation of government of India, what is income, how government of India earn money through tax or goods and service, so many things, and what is the expenditure of government of India in salary, pension, defense. So you first of all you think what is the financial situation of government of India, and economy very important for your basic development and pre of SSC JEE. Okay, now what is the best strategy for preparing economy? Go in any reputed coaching near to you. If your room in Allahabad, and then you think how I go in Delhi and achieve good notes. No. You go any reputed coaching of Prayagraj and take simple economy notes. 4 day, 5 day, within 1 week, or according to your capacity. You complete economy. Economic theory in short time, and then go economy objective question. Economy objective question. First of all, you complete all SSC JEE previous year question. Then you complete all India PCS exam economy question, and then you go for UPSC also. You not afraid UPSC economy question. Why I prepare UPSC question for SSC JEE? Today competition level not very low, competition level very high. Then all UPSC, SSC or state PCS hardly 1000 question of economy. You prepare those question very good manner. If you prepare economic those 1000 question, then if 10 question in SSC JEE pre, then you definitely achieve 6 marks and 7 marks in economy. This is first approach. What is the second approach? You go with NCERT. Actually 73 day very sufficient time for preparing pre for GK. If you know very well way about technical and reasoning, then you spend your all 73 day for GK. If you not improve your weak zone, you feel very comfortable in technical, you daily study technical, then what is your result? Nothing. You improve your weak zone, that is the very good strategy for clearing any examination, according to me. You know now, this is my plan. Then you go for NCERT also. First option reputed coaching notes, then go with NCERT. Okay, what is my planning for journal polity? Same planning for polity. Go with Lakshmikant or go with any reputed coaching notes. Study theory in very short time, and most of time spent for preparing objective question of a UPSC, SSC, state PCS. Then you score very good score, and you not worried or not feel burden how I prepare GK. Simple, improve your weak zone. Okay, now same process for culture. And now we discuss about current affair. What is the strategy of current affair? How we prepare current affair or achieve good score in current affair? You know, current affair very important for preparing for clearing any examination. You know, today we spend mostly our time with YouTube. You know, approximately 5 or 6 hours we spend with YouTube. Present in present situation. Then you divide your time, useful work and useless work. Present situation is that you 5 or 6 hours for useless work. Some time of 5 or 6 hours you spend for useful work. What I want to say, exam of SSC JEE Pre in November, in present, according to present calendar of SSC JEE. October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February and January. 1 year of current affair useful for pre. You just type in YouTube July 1 month current affair. So many video available. You take one video of July month and take 3 or 4 time. You go, you search YouTube June full month current affair. So many video available there. You watch one video 3-4 time. Same do for each month. Then you achieve very good score in current affair. Now we discuss about history. How we prepare about history. You know, in present time, modern history important. You prepare modern history. Old history, Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Mughal Kal, not important. But my opinion is not last opinion. You also prepare for history in same way. That is the method how we score good in journal awareness and GK. What now I told you something about me or myself. Approximately in last 10 years or 5, actually in 10 years, I face Delhi Metro JEE exam in each year, and I am not able to clear DMRC exam. What is the reason? 2 reasons. One reason is that all time I fail in English section because my English grammar not so good. Okay. Second reason also we discuss later on. Now we think about how I achieve second rank in Delhi Metro examination. How I achieve second rank in my last attempt. In my mind, like Chavark, one impulse generated कि maybe this is my last time, but something maybe good happened in my life. And in last, before DMRC 3 months, I only prepare for English. only prepare English. Neetu Singh volume first or volume second, especially volume first, I prepare, so I complete I think 3-4 times, or I complete volume first in 1 week 1 time. So in last 3 months I only prepare for English, and I got second rank. So first, if you want to achieve good score, then you improve your weak zone. If you very good in a machine, or especially in transformer, motor, generator, and you spend your most of time to preparing a transformer, motor, generator, you definitely not do good work. Because if any transformer question in SSC JEE or high level, then you not able to solve. If question come average level or below average level, then you definitely solve. So why you so many time revise all those subject? But this strategy only for those students who preparing for last 3-4 years. You spend your 73 day only for GK. Only for GK. If you spend 73 day for GK, then definitely you achieve 30 or 35 marks out of 50. Then what is your score? If paper level average, or some above average or some below average, then if paper level hard, then what is the level of merit? No predict anyone. If 100 technical question, then you easily achieve 80. If paper level simple, average or above average, but paper level hard, then I have no forecasting. Out of 50 in reasoning, you definitely achieve 45. You achieve 45 only when you regularly study reasoning of previous year question of SSC JEE, PCS, and so many examinations, you know. And out of 50, you spend 73 day mostly time for preparing GK, then you achieve 30. Then what is your score? You calculated. This is my strategy for SSC JEE, and I achieve 19th overall rank, civil, mechanical and electrical, and I think 9th or 8th rank in electrical. I am not a extraordinary student. I am very average student or below average student, but I all time spend my time how to improve my weakness. Presently, you know, I am not very much comfortable in speaking English, but today I try. This is my strategy how we achieve good score in SSC JEE pre. When you clear pre, then we discuss about how we clear mains. Actual competition in pre, not in mains. Very good opportunity for all diploma holder, degree holder, MTech holder, for all. Or not feel hesitation, I am MTech holder, why I prepare for SSC JEE. You know, today job important compared to degree. So best of luck all of my friends. Simple. If you weak in technical, then spend your time with technique. If you weak in reasoning, then spend your time with reasoning. If you weak in GK, then spend your time for preparing GK. Then you definitely achieve good score. Okay, thank you so much.